Gusto mo ba yung next house na lilipatan nyo? Forever home nyo na? Ipiyes magugustuhan mo tong modern, luxury, brand new two-story house dito sa may Tahanan Village, Parañaque. May 3-car garage. Ang lot area nito ay 292 square meters. At eto yung elegant bathroom. Nitong ground floor bedroom na sizable. Meron tong total of 5 main bedrooms plus maid's room and driver's room. So, total of 7 bedrooms na. At eto na yung combined living dining area. Meron kang double height ceiling. At napakaaliwalas nga kasi ang daming sliding doors, ang dami ring windows at lahat panoramic. Panoorin mo yung full house tour nito sa YouTube channel ng Home Search Philippines para makita mo kung gaano kaganda rin yung mga bedrooms, lalo na yung master bathroom. Follow for more ha. Thanks for watching. Bye!